Morning, folks. Brian here. January 1st, 2024. Hope you're all well. It's going to be a follow-up discussion report on the Japan earthquakes. So, folks, for the past 2 years, I've been focusing my attention on rising heat coming up through the mantle plumes, up through Earth's crust. Past 2 years. I have been saying that we're going to be seeing indications first where the Earth's crust is thinnest, the oceanic crusts, which on the average is 6 kilometers thick. Then we'll start seeing indications on the continental shelves. Then along the coastlines, and finally on land, further on land. So I'm going to show you something I observed last April 13th. Of this year. In April 13th last year, 2023, there was many heat anomalies detections in the offshore waters of Japan. So this is the area of our earthquake. Again, this is last April 13th. And that video is on file. Also on the same day on the coast of Myanmar. Same thing. Many heat anomalies detections offshores. Myanmar. Now let's take you to the current time today. So we have 3 locations, and some of these heat anomalies are actually, again, in the waters. This is Wajima. So let's go to Google Earth here. Let's take a look at a couple of these locations. So there's some heat anomalies offshore, almost 100 or half a kilometer offshore in this region, in the harbor. And throughout this region. Now there is only one fire that I found on live webcam. Right here. And this would be in this region here. However, okay, well, it's not going to pick it up here. So in this region right here, we have one fire. I cannot find any fires around here. So I just switched to live, still burning. One more area. So our other location is the right here. And then so again in the waters. There you have it, folks. So I just scoured the internet once again. I can only find one active fire. The same video clip I just finished showing you. I cannot find any other fires in those heat locations, which, as you saw, was quite extensive. So this is also what this Mr. Mike of Mike from Around the World, COT, is speaking of. Fire events. Me, mantle plumes. So we had a series of deep earthquakes all around Japan 5 days prior. Because that energy was deep, it took some time to come up. Deep earthquake, deep earthquake, deep earthquake, expands, comes up. Numerous heat anomalies last April. Yet again, this is what I'm calling a mantle plume event. The trigger had nothing to do with the recent space weather events, in my opinion. You can put it in your back pocket or leave it on the table.